From mountains to oceans to eagles to wildflowers, everything else in between. Seeing sunrise while crossing a river, that's what life means to me. So enjoy an adventure with me. You'll never know what you will see.
Back to another edition of Adventure in Focus. I'm Kreh, and today I'm warbler hunting. And some of you might know what warblers are, but if you don't, they're small songbirds that migrate thousands of miles from the Caribbean, Central America, up to Canada. On their way, they stop here and other places. Beautiful birds, and they're hard to get pictures of and videos of. So anything I get, I'm really happy with. So it's a little early. I've only found one actual warbler so far. Following the stream, I usually follow rivers or some kind of waterway. Try to, because water, everything needs water. After all, they've traveled 1,000 miles or so. They're probably really hungry and thirsty.